Next up, let's get sassy, honey. This could be a little sneak peek of what's about to come after dinner. I'm no nonsense, but if things go well, you know.
Gonna wear that dress you like, skin tight, do my hair up real nice, and syncopate my skin to your heart beating. Cause I just wanna look good for you, oh oh. I just wanna look good for you, oh oh. Let me show you how proud I am to be yours. Leave this dress a mess on the floor. I just wanna look good for you, oh oh.
Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and like we know, tis the season of love, and Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and I wanted to put together a couple of looks for you guys so that maybe you could get some inspiration to get dressed and dolled up this Valentine's Day. Personally speaking, I'm not very big on Valentine's Day. Like, especially if you're single, there's not much that you can do. Usually I would go out on a Valentine's Day party or a dinner or something of that sort with my girlfriends. So the outfits that I'm showing you is going to take you from a range of whatever plans you have on that particular day. Be it with your special someone or with just your girls, like having a good time. I think these pieces will give you a variety of options about whatever kind of onset you have going on. So without much further ado, let's get on with the video. First up, we have this super sexy jumpsuit. It is such a vibe, honestly. This is something that I actually got from Bangkok a while back, so I'm not sure where you could get the exact piece. I will try and look for links where you could see similar pieces, but I'm not sure. It's just that this color, this fit and everything just screams Valentine's Day to me. This color is on point, and I feel like this has the right amount of sexy. It has the open back, which is super cool, and when you want to kind of be sexy but you're in a cold climate, having your back open is, I feel, the right way to do sexy, because this keeps your legs kind of covered and your arms and shoulders covered, but just that back gives the right amount of oomph and sexiness. Another great idea would be to wear like a sexy bra which has like an interesting back underneath. I was not able to get anything like that on that particular day, but nevertheless I just feel like this is such a stunning statement piece. I've worn it with this necklace, which is sort of like a Maharani necklace, and I think you could do it either with your hair up or down depending on how sexy you want to feel. If you want to put the sexy quotient up, you can definitely tie your hair so that the attention goes all on your back. But if you want it to be slightly more modest, you can just leave your hair down, and it can just be like a peekaboo moment of whenever you want to like kind of show people, I got a sexy bag. I think this is a perfect Valentine's Day outfit, be it going out with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, husband, whatever your situation. This is a solid yes. Next up is this super duper girly number that I have. This honestly is way out of my comfort zone. I usually don't dress this girly on an everyday basis. I am someone who likes more of like structured, well-fitted, boss based kind of, that's my vibe. This is very outside my vibe, but I wanted to just give you guys options of something very girly and romantic. I know a lot of girls love that vibe. Something like this is super fun and flirty. You could dance around in this. So I could totally see myself wearing this if I was going on like salsa night or something of that sort, wherein I want to feel cute and at the same time I want to be flirty and romantic and all that stuff. So if you're having your Valentine's Day at a salsa night or something that involves quite a lot of dancing, I think this outfit would be a perfect fit. Next up, we have this super elegant little red dress. I absolutely love the fit of this, and the surprising part is that I actually got this on Meesho. and I got this at a ridiculously low price as well. I will leave the product link and stuff like that for it down below. This I think is the perfect outfit for your Valentine's Day dinner. I think this makes me feel so ladylike and sexy and elegant at the same time, and the fit of it is such that I feel like even if I will be stuffing my face with food, I'm not going to be uncomfortable. This definitely makes me feel very, very ladylike and elegant and all that good stuff. I feel like I'm kind of ready to go on like a royal dinner. This outfit is so elegant and ladylike, and paired with this bag, I feel it really completes the look. Also adding a pair of really sexy heels will complete this outfit, and girl, you are ready for that super hot dinner date. Next up, let's get sassy, honey. Next up is this suit that I'm wearing with this super cute bralette inside. I know. This is definitely a little out there, a little risque, a little too sexy for comfort, but I feel like Valentine's Day is when you want to feel and be sexy for your partner. This is definitely something that I would recommend to someone who is going out with their boo, their special someone. You know, this could be a little sneak peek of what's about to come after dinner. So yeah, I know this is definitely a little out there, but I feel like if you just wear the jacket on top and keep it like that, I think you're good to go. If this kind of a lingerie situation is a little too much for you, you can also opt for like a sexy bralette. I think that would be a good alternative. This kind of gives the right amount of boss babe, but sexy kind of vibe. Like, this is completely me. This is what I would wear probably on Valentine's Day if I had a special someone to take me out. But anywho, I'm giving here you guys some ideas, so at least मैं नहीं कर सकती तो तुम तो कर लो भाई, please. Let me live vicariously through you guys. Yeah, I think that something like this is super sexy, and actually let me know in the comments down below if this is something that you would wear for your special someone. Next up is this super cute girly vibe dress in super shocking fuchsia pink. I love the flirty romanticness of this dress. It is perfect for the girly girl Valentine's Day. Even though I'm not your typical girly girl, I felt really cute and I was feeling myself when I wore this dress. This one is actually from Cooves and I got it a while back, but I feel like the cut of this dress is A-line, so it's very flattering, and it's also quite sexy because it has that slit in the center of the chest. If you are a little uncomfortable, you can always obviously wear like a bralette or something to give yourself a little more coverage on the chest area. But other than that, I think this is the perfect girly girl Valentine's Day outfit. Next up is a super casual sort of a vibe. I feel like this could be great for someone who wants to be sexy but kind of wants to be very like, I'm no nonsense, but if things go well, you know. I feel the best way to kind of do that is to kind of wear like a play suit or a bodysuit. Here I'm wearing a bodysuit because the other play suit that I have is too transparent and I am not about to get my video demonetized by YouTube. So I'm just wearing this bodysuit. So you could really amp it up or amp it down as per your preference. And just a pair of high-waisted jeans, and to make it Valentine's Day appropriate, I have also added a little bit of a gold lip and this super sophisticated red jacket. I feel like when you enter the date in this avatar, you kind of look like, okay, I'm serious, I'm about no hanky-panky. But if the date goes well, you're prepared. That's all I'm about to say. So yes, those are all the outfit ideas for Valentine's Day that I have for you guys. For me, honestly, this was one of the times that it was very difficult for me to pick my favorite. So let me know in the comments down below which one of these vibes or outfit ideas would you pick if you were to wear this on Valentine's Day. I really want to know. Maybe that will give me some inspiration of what I should wear on Valentine's Day. So yes, that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, because I know you guys keep watching but not subscribing. So subscribe. It's free. Move. And hit that notification bell to be notified every time makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.